What's up guys, Upward here, and this is Whilelab channel, and here we are with day 13 of 30 days of code. And today's video is about abstract classes. What is abstract classes? Well, abstract classes are classes we create to make an abstract idea. They don't make any functionality, they are just abstract, like an idea. Okay, so how do we make use of them? How do we use them? We'll see here. So let's jump into the code editor, because that's where things are. So if you would see here, they have made already, okay, this is already created by the challenge, is an abstract class, okay, called book. This book abstract class called book is inherits the meta class of ABC, okay, or abstract meta. So here we have initialization, or the constructor, we have title and author, okay, and we have the abstract method. You see, because we have an abstract method in the class, we can't, if I would try to initialize this book with, let's say title equals whatever, and then author equals whatever, and I run the code, it would give me a run error. Why is that? Because this is an abstract class, as you can see, can't initiate abstract class book with abstract method display, so you can't really use it. So what is the usage, or what are the abstract classes for? Okay, abstract classes are meant to be inherited. We've learned about inheritance in the previous video, so you can go check it out if you haven't seen it. So yeah, what we will do is create a class called myBook, which would inherit the book abstract class. Then what we would do is override our initialization method or constructor. We'll pass self, we have title, we have author, and also we have price. Now here we don't have price, but they need it over here, as you can see, and here in the task you can read it. I will link to the challenge down below. So in this initialization method, we're gonna create the super method and access to the initialization method, and pass the title and the author, and create an attribute for the price and call it, and make it equals the price argument. Okay, so then what we will do is override the display method, we'll pass self, and print what is asked here, the title, the author, and the price. So we will print title equals self.title, then we print author plus self.author, then we print the price, and since the price is integer, we need to convert it into a string so we don't face any errors. So this should do it. Let's run the code and see. Come on. Yep, there we are. Let's submit the code, and come on. Congratulations guys, and hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that like button, press subscribe, and see you in the next one.